Okay, so we'll start VMware Workstation. I'm going to click that to run as administrator. And I'm going to go to Edit, Virtual Network Editor. And what we're doing here is just setting this up so that we can do an install of an operating system. We want to set up NAT, and so NAT will allow us to have our machines connected to each other and then also connect out through our host computer out to the internet. Our subnets are going to be 10.10.10.0 as an example subnet, and I will use it's basically a default Class C subnet mask. For right now, we are going to use DHCP, but we're going to turn that off very soon. So I'm going to click on OK on this. And maybe it will allow me to do that. Yes, it will. Now, we're actually going to set up a new virtual machine. So we'll go to Create New Virtual Machine, and we'll do a typical configuration. We're going to use installer disk image, and I have copied Windows Server 2008 onto my desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'll browse and find that installer, and that will be on the desktop. So we'll go to here and to there, and we'll do next here. Now, for all the stuff that we're doing here, we're going to not use the product key. And the reason we're not going to use the product key is we're going to use these for temporary, and then we'll delete them. We're going to do lots of installs, so we don't want to use up our product key on that. So in the let's do NETWEXP, and we can go ahead and put in a password. So it asks me if I'm sure I really want to do that, and I'm going to say yes. We can name this. I'm going to call this one add-on base at the end of that. And the reason I'm doing that, we're going to actually sysprep these machines and clone them. And this reminds me that, you know, for this non-sysprepped, or for this sysprepped machine, I'm going to want to not ever really open this one again. So I'll click next on here. 40 gig is acceptable. I'll do it as a single file. We'll do next. And if you want to, you can customize the hardware of this machine. The virtual machine memory will be set at 1 gig. I think everything actually probably looks pretty good here, so I'm going to go ahead and click close. If you did want to add something, you could click add here and add something else like a printer or something else if you needed that. But I'm going to go ahead and click close here, and I'll do finish here. And the machine is going to power up. And I'll say OK on this. Move this up here so we can get just a little bit better view of this. Okay, so we'll stop this video here, and then we'll do sysprep in the next video.